Hello, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Do you have any hobbies? Today, I'd like to introduce you my hobbies. First, I like listening to music. When I am free at home, I usually listen to music. And let me introduce my favorite music groups. The first one is Dragon Ash. Maybe you have heard their name, and they plays any types of music. When they debuted, they were playing rock music, and I like their rock music the best. And they also plays hip hop music and Latin music too. These songs are very cool. Let me introduce one more my favorite music group. The group's name is Lip Slime. I liked them when I was a high school student, and even now I like them and their songs very much. And when I was studying for entrance exam of university, I was listening to their songs. So I remind the days by their songs. And in their songs, there are many erotic words, so that is my one of my favorite point of them. And my second hobby is driving. I like driving very much. From the time I got the driving license, I have been to many places by car. I went to Aso with my friends. This is a view from Aso's mountain. It was cloudy then, but it was very nice view. And I was going to go to Beppu with my friends in this winter vacation, but we couldn't go there because all of us didn't have enough money. And recently I started playing Mahjong. I haven't remembered detailed rules of Mahjong, so I'd like to remember them. And there are many rules in Mahjong, so it is very difficult to remember them. But playing Mahjong is very interesting. Everyone plays Mahjong says that it is very wonderful game, so I want to enjoy it and play Mahjong with various persons. And this year, I'd like to find a new hobby. I belong to literature department, so I want to try reading. But I have read hardly any books before, so I don't know what should I read at first. So if you have any recommend books or writers, please let me about them. My introduction is all. Thank you for listening.